We're gonna make a quick little raspberry vinaigrette. So I'm gonna put a cup of washed raspberries in my blender. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna blend this. Notice that I didn't salt this. If you want to, you can. So now we're just going to strain it to get rid of the seeds. This dressing will keep for a week in a closed jar in the refrigerator, and use it for salads, you know, like for a spinach salad with fruits in it. Excellent. Or any salad you want, really. Oh, delicious. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.